Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my Shafin School channel. Today's our topic is what is bottleneck point and why it's important to measure, main reason of bottleneck point, solution of the bottleneck point and way of find out the bottleneck point. If you want to more videos like that, please subscribe the channel. Thank you. What is bottleneck and why it's important to measure? So friends, let's start. The lowest production per hour in a certain area in the line is called the bottleneck point or area, and it's so important in the garments industry because a bottleneck process is called the line output. For example, a line is giving 150 pieces per hour, all the process and all other the process have capacity 180 pieces, but slip joint one process is only given 150 pieces per hour. So here bottleneck process is slip joint. So if we eradicate this bottleneck or solve this, then the line follow will be 180 pieces per hour, 30 pieces increased. It would be huge achievement, and that is why it is very important. In bottleneck point, capacity is limited. It's limited by single or multiple operator. It's compared like a bottle where goods or garments are gathered or more processed WIP and production goes under capacity. In the any bottle, we see upper narrow part of the bottle is called the neck. So large volume of the production is very difficult to go this narrow shape. It is a metaphoric comparison, and it's considered the main obstruction in the process flow. Main reason of the bottleneck: accessory supply delay. That means sometimes accessories are not come, but for the shipment urgencies, production start and bottleneck point occurs in accessories attached area. Processor is wrong worker selection. That means when you not follow the skill matrix chart, then this problem arise. Faulty line layout: when production people or mechanic doing the line layout, then this problem arise because I can do the layout in scientific way, but they don't. Not follow the line balance. After the line layout, it should balance the line as soon as possible. Operator absent: when operator leave, then you have a backup plan. When absent, then no backup plan, and low skill operator can do the process and create bottleneck. Machine breakdown: this is a common problem in garments industry. Most of the cases in garments, when you say why bottleneck, then your officer reply, sir, machine breakdown. That's very easy answer. Suddenly operator may sick and supply can gather much on that point in bottleneck point and create bottleneck. Quality or color shade: this type of problem can stop at the beginning of the stages, otherwise it will create bottleneck. Faulty motion leads more time, so capacity is less and create bottleneck. Some operator have capacity low, in that point automatically generate bottleneck. Lack of multi-skill operator: that means in every line there should at least 8 to 10 multi-skill operator who can run all the machine. When operator absent or sick or leave, and this multi-skill operator can do the backup plan, otherwise may create bottleneck. Let's see the solution of the bottleneck point. Accessory supply and approved in the planned time. Follow the skill matrix chart for worker selection to do their job. Line layout 100% okay, and eye layout should be implemented because they are expert to do that. Work on operator absenteeism. Daily talk with last day absent operator, motivate and counseling them. Repair the machine as soon as possible, and there should be a backup plan. During line feeding, solve any quality related issue instantly, and root cause analysis. Check shade before line input. Correct the faulty motion of the operator. In bottleneck area, to do the capacity study and set up the target. In bottleneck area, in production study and last topic, I have discussed what is production study. When you do the production study, in 95% cases production will increase and eradicate the bottleneck area. A program should launch for the multi-skill operator or skill upgrade. Then it will boost up your line and increase your efficiency level. And where to find out the bottleneck point? Number 1, by checking operator production in hourly production board. It's very easy to find out. And number 2, by observing the inventory of the line. In bottleneck point, WIP is huge amount compared to the other process. And number 3, by doing the capacity study. And by capacity study shows line graph where the bottleneck is. Dear friends, thank you very much for watching this channel. If you want to more video like this, please subscribe.